Anyway, my grandma. He didn't walk to it. He didn't turn it on and then just laid down.
Rehearsing the car. Okay, you're 5, you're 6, you're 4. My brother was 12, and he was like, "You're 6. You're gonna eat free, okay?" And then he would stand at the cashier, legit arguing with them until he finally got his way. Me in the school cafeteria. That's nasty.
There is a small one, so I'm gonna switch to ooh, it's actually better like this.
Me in the school cafeteria.
Yes. It's gotta be able for me to stick.
That's nasty. I'm gonna go throw up. Y'all can have the hallways. Y'all can have a little corner. Not the cafeteria when I'm trying to eat my meal. What my dead brother doesn't know about me.
Random mukbang. So they're gonna watch me eat. I guess y'all. Now what y'all can do for the video. How do you get one package of barbecue? Y'all look at that. And I got like 2 more fries, like 2 more chicken nuggets, and all of these fries. Like, I don't know. I like pickles. What you like that? I like my burger with ketchup on, but you could just suck the ketchup off, but I don't eat it. People are stupid. Like, take the onion and stuff out.
You're either the sibling who goes and stands in your sibling's room, or you're the sibling with the room. I'm the sibling with the room. My sister just comes in here and stands. Like, which one are you?
You know, some of us are nosy. I was a nosy one. I was a sibling that stands. Only my room was upstairs. Everybody else's was downstairs. So I would just bust into everyone's room. What are you doing? You trying to play some games? I was always in everyone's business. I still am. Which one
got
are
an
you?
onion on it. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I ain't got no napkins.
Samsung, you know, they got some good battery. Huawei. Play. Y'all don't understand how fast a battery can possibly drain until you own a MacBook. Brand new. $2,000 laptop. Barely got a 2-hour worth of battery. You know, conspiracy theory, but also I think it's pretty true. Apple, obviously, they have the capability to have amazing battery life, amazing quality camera, just overall great phone. But they have a new one every single year. So it's like they're only going to give you a little bit at a time. So every year iPhone usually be like, wow, an increasing quality, an increasing battery power, increased capabilities. When Android phones done had that 5 years ago. Everyone using the tissue. No.
See, I was trying to show y'all. There ain't much drop.
Okay, but when did you launch?
And I'm crazy.
This costs €100 a roller.
That's good. That's the best.
I'm myself.
That's me though. It drives me insane when I see people like snatch like 5 paper towels to wipe some water off the counter. Like, bro, it's gonna evaporate. It's gonna be gone. Unnecessary. I am very stingy when it comes to paper towels. When you're watching a movie with your daughter and an 18+ scene comes on, oh, this is the most awkward thing for me and my mom. And I was like,
the only reason I need 1,000 subscribers is so I can go live, y'all. I have 3 subscribers. Now, at least things will went up. I have to check my subscribers now, actually, because I have still got 4, but doesn't matter. You got some more barbecue sauce.
Where's the flavor? Where's the flavor in this? I don't taste anything.
Wow. This is incredible.
Yeah.
The flavor is unanimous.
Girl.
Never tasted anything like this before.
Yeah. Girl, do you have some more barbecue sauce? You want more barbecue sauce, sir?
I ate my chicken.
We didn't get no fries.
texture is immaculate.
Why don't you eat fries from places? Huh? I'm very proud of those about the fall.
We don't have YouTube makeup
I'll be
tutorials.
like,
Jenner.
Anyone?
Instagram.
Not them in there.
MySpace and photo bucket.
Not Kale and his girlfriend. Y'all, we made some cookies, y'all. I'm about to show y'all how these turned out. They turned out horrible. But we ate them, and I think they taste good. Girl, I did not mean to do it. You think I did on purpose? Y'all, look. Oh, my gosh, y'all. Yeah. She said she didn't really like them. I forgot her name, y'all. Because I haven't seen her in a long time. But y'all, look at this. Look. Oh, my God, y'all. Hold on. The freaking thing. Oh, my gosh, y'all. Okay, see that? And then, I don't know how you do it. You hold this. Boom. Then you close this. And boom. And like the full fridge is there. And I don't have any in your spot. Huh? And it was the same with this. As y'all see this. Look, y'all just taps. But yeah. And they got this marble thing. They didn't have that. So, yo. Oh my gosh, y'all. Sorry, excuse me. Take it. Take it. Take it. Y'all. I can do whatever I want. I said, oh my God, I'm not trying to like go like to y'all, so don't. Boom. 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 Whoa, my hand's broken. They got 4 chairs over here. Y'all see that? And there's another one over there right there.
Did I put my phone on charger?
I don't see you over there.
She said I gotta put my phone case off.
You gotta take it off and put it on there. I don't know where it is.
Where's Magic?
He outside. Or down there in his room. I know that we sleeping here somewhere in the couch over here.
I'm sleeping with Mama. Cause I know where they
Well, she not sleep. She probably.
They sleeping in there in that room.
You know they actually fall asleep sometimes in the barn, so they might sleep in there. Accident.
Mama never slept in the barn.
Yeah, one time. You just ain't know. Cause one time, I remember my mom and them. They were in the barn. Say hello. And they fell asleep in there. I think I remember your mom was in there too. God damn. This burger tastes like it got onions on it, but it don't. Just where y'all sleeping?
No, we're sleeping in the room beside it.
What bed y'all gonna sleep on?
I guess we're gonna sleep in our mansion.
Okay. I'm not sleeping at this bed. I'm sleeping down here.
Whose bed is that? Whose bed is that?
Okay.
in there in that the room beside Tamadre's room.
Y'all might live in the living room.
The living
'Cause-
room would come.
Yeah, dude, there's a chair right there. It's really comfy right there. You know that.
Because we can sleep in here too.
Yeah, that's what I'm sleeping right there. You just gotta move that little thing right there.
Me and Mama
If KJ
sleeping
moves
right
his
here.
legs from there, then I'll sleep right there.
Me and Mama sleeping right here.
Y'all, all I need, this is where we're gonna sleep, y'all.
Here.
That's the chair I'm gonna sleep on. And that little place where his feet at,
Me and Mama
that's where I'm
sleep right
gonna
here.
take it because it goes apart.
Come here.
They had it right there, but what?
Bring them.
Take it to the thing. Take it to, okay, what? Okay, y'all. So I don't know where we going.
Never mind. Go back in.
Okay. Hey, y'all want to say hey to my YouTube channel?
What's up now? What's up going on?
Oh, y'all, whoa. Oh, when the heck you get in here? And it's stinking in here. Oh, 80 mean. Am I going there? Oh, no? Okay, good. Well, no, they talking. I don't know what they talking about, but I know they talking. And he on the game. Huh? Also, y'all love these tails right here. Oh, somehow, this one got raised up more. And we don't know how to take it down. So, the heck is wrong with you? What's wrong with your outfit? Want to come? Yeah, let's go back on another tree up. We're going outside. Y'all nasty. Trying to sip it. Mr. Sippy. Okay, y'all, I'm about to follow her like this. Oh, no, I'm not. Also, y'all, look at here. Oh, my God, you scared me.
What kind of animal is that in there?
Y'all.
There's another lizard.
Yeah, I think this one is sleeping or it's taken out of the cage. Somewhere taken out of the cage. Oh, it's right there. Y'all, look. Right there, you see it?
Hi.
Oops. Oh my God, y'all, look.
Okay, Maddie.
It's a girl. Or two. Why would you turn the light off and I'm in there? What you trying to go do? Can I get that little dunk?
Yeah.
Now,
Need charger. Somebody took the charger.
It's right over there, boo.
Take it. Take the piece. You got it.
oh, you gonna close the door. Girl, close the door when they had it. Yup. I don't need it because my phone is on over there. Have you saw the charger plug there? Child, I just sat down.
Help.
Yeah, I think I should help her.
Yes. Help.
Look, please do not hit me with that charger.
Help.
Okay, do not hit me with that charger.
Let it help.
Let me spin. I don't understand why. I'll be right back, y'all. Some minutes later. Okay, I'm done.
Stick a nose.
Oh my God. Because I'm happy in this spot. Huh. Girl, first of all, help you with what? Second of all, you could have just plugged it in there.
I couldn't.
Yes, you could have.
I'm happy.
Your face when you said I couldn't. He was like, she was like, oh my God, bro. like, I couldn't. I couldn't. Because I'm happy in this hat. I'd be having lots of fun if I could see y'all. Also, turn comments on for this video, so comment down below. What? Because I'm happy in this spot. Oh my god, so many views, but don't got that many subscribers, bro. That's stupid to me.
Look up in the sky, yeah. I didn't find me.
It's crazy, y'all.
And you look up in the sky, yeah. Me. What's that?
Oops.
What's that? Oh.
Yeah, chopper. I know you're mad because you sad. Huh? Y'all not gonna do this, but like, first of all, I don't like her so much. I will say it right now. I will say the B word right now, child. Literally, I'm not lying. I don't know if y'all want me. You really want me?
Say it.
No.
Say it. I'll say it.
Okay. Could you say it first?
Clearly.
I do not care, but this is YouTube and everything.
Okay.
All back.
1, 2, 3. Can I say?
Huh?
Can I say it for real?
I do not care what you do. I'm your
YouTube.
auntie. You my.
Fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I can't.
B.
B.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
B.
Beat. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Beach.
I said it.
1, 2, 3. Beach.
Y'all say it like, whoa, shut up. I say it like better. I say like, say it's like a baby. But I say it way better than her.
Say it.
I'm scared too.
Say it! Talking at you tonight. Say it. What is that?
That was, I said that because you over here acting crazy. Yeah.
Bitch?
I cannot.
I'm about to get on the ass.
See, I got a potty mouth. You want talk? So let's talk about your body count. Let's speak of the party now. My little silly me. You cannot mess with me. Yo,
sit down too.
Get out with me. Get up.
I'm gonna sit down too.
You little bitch, get out. Mess with me. Huh? Sit on your seat or grab a seat or up to tweet chair.
I take from my
Because I'm hopping in your spot. Huh? Oh my gosh, y'all. This part. Or the beat. How you gonna... Don't put the Jonah up anymore, you stupid head. What is wrong with you?
I want it to be...
That was... Okay, you could have still been down there. You look like a tall woman. Like, girl, you look grown as head. You look tall. My God. Don't worry, I'll make sure to car on you. I'll make sure.
No.
Boy, bird. They can see you like that. Go make that Go make that purr.
Like I dare say it.
No.
Figures. You said bird.
I know what I said. Perch. Wait.
I want mommy.
What happened in your spot? Huh? Yo, get a big, what a, I actually put it up though. I did it. Did you not see me doing it many times on the video? So I'll come down below and say yes. And I want y'all to spam.
Iy'Reign too?
Spam IZGANG in the chat, the comments, because Iy'Reign is Amaya. she don't. She don't. But I'm actually talking about
Spam. Hold up. First of all, spam IZGANG.
Spam IZGANG. And then, technically,
Iy'Reign.
Yeah, I know, but like,
And
why?
don't
Like,
spam
it's so crazy.
IZGANG. Because I don't even post videos anymore. You can look at my old videos.
You always on my videos, and I just want to add you to my crew. Because you like family. And you are my niece. Anyways.
Look at this.
Because I'm not hot right in your spot. Hat.
No, do it like I can see it.
I don't want to do
Happy
it. That's
birthday.
bad. But I been did it. I just did it quickly.
Okay, I'm going to do it too.
So I'm going to do it. Hat. See?
Happy yes, bye. Ha! My booty. My booty. My booty.
Your butt stank. It actually for real.
Sneaker.
Yes, it do.
Boo, 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 boo. I
Boo,
wake up.
I'm a cow. Boo,
Sneaker.
boo, I'm a
Stop, you messing on my phone. Boo, boo, boo.
booey.
Sneaker. Boo, 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 boo.
Boo.
Sneaker.
Okay, go ahead.
Boo, 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 boo. I wake up in the morning and make that macaroni sound. Boo, 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 boo. I don't know the rest. I'm trying to make it up.
Y'all, her song is called Butt Live now. Go check it out. I got this feeling that she's psycho. I got this feeling, baby. She's electric, yo. But y'all, she ain't really famous. She ain't got to sing. But if y'all want to see the full song, check it out on her channel.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it.
No, I don't want it.
Eat it.
No. Nah, how you gonna make me?
Eat it.
How you gonna make me eat some? Y'all. Okay.
Ooh, that looks good. I'm finna get
Not
that
cute.
fry. Who I'm finna get?
How you eating out of my food?
Y'all, look at that fried dog.
The heck is you doing? This burger look ugly from the bag. This burger don't even got a boot tree. I do. Yeah, that's what I call Smith like a face like.
Did you remember on that YouTube video ate your boogers?
I got you on pork dog.
It was like this. Okay.
Well, do that. I done
On that YouTube video you showed me. At Granny house.
Oh,
look at
I'm
it.
like 6 years old. Oh, wow.
Show me what you did. You was eating something first.
I would eat some corn, right? And then I was like, yeah, alright. And yeah, I was stupid back then. So I was like, I thought someone couldn't see me. I was like, oh my God, bro.
I just picked mine. I was like,
Ow!
this why I be like,
Uh-huh.
not happy. I don't need a napkin.
You wiping your burgers everywhere, don't you?
I don't need a napkin. I don't need a napkin. I don't need a napkin.
Ugh. Don't ever do that, alright?
What?
I went, I have food on my tongue.
What the woo? Our cookies good.
Come on, hi guy. You want to talk shit? What did I mean say that?
You a tosh. Okay, you did a mistake?
Wait, did I say that? Did I end it with a T?
No.
I didn't say it.
You said, oh yeah, you did.
I did.
Yes, you did.
Mm-mm.
Repart this clip, cause you know he say he did.
Once I edit the video, then yeah. Oh!
You wanna talk
Let's talk about your body count.
You wanna
And
talk
we're
shit?
potty now.
Let's talk about
Oh my
your body
freaking god, you not just say that. Just say that. Don't do that. Why'd you do that? Wake up.
I'll be in your dreams.
He been asleep the whole time.
I'll be in your dreams.
God, please haunt him in his dreams so he can wake up.
He could wake up like, Sticker, I am sorry what I did to you. I just want to be happy. Sticker. Imagine
I got
you
a
had a
plan for you.
sticker.
Baby, you got it.
Say it.
See? And you know you know me, baby. That's it.
Don't make me go get that charger.
Huh?
Sticker. What?
But for real, just about charger thing.
I'm going to whack you in it if you don't answer me.
I got hands. You got a charger. What's that gonna do? Oh. What the heck you do to my sauce? Babe, what you do? Yeah, she got bras now. I had bra on and stuff. But, pretty girl. You ugly. You uttered this word. Well, you look pretty. You got pretty. I got 30-something views like on my Ratchet ASMR video. So part 2 is coming up. I forgot to post it like weeks ago or a month ago when I did the Ratchet ASMR thing. But yeah, when like some weeks ago when I did that Ratchet hair salon thing, I did the part 2, right, y'all? And I forgot to post it. So yeah.
I want my blanket. I want mommy.
I got a blanket over there. If you need your mommy, go hug her. Go hug her. I forgot her name, but yeah. And with the blanket, use mine. Or use somebody help blanket in here.
Sticker, how am I gonna hug her and then ask you my mama?
Just ask your mama. Try to smell the smell of your mama and smell it on her. Hug her like you hug your mama.
Sticker, she ain't gonna let me.
She is not. She your best friend. She my best friend. She your friend, but she my best friend. If we don't go, oh my god. Ah! Yo, she pissed. Okay, you don't get out pissed.
Get on the chair.
Okay.
Help! Help!
Oh my god.
Help! Help!
Get on there.
I can't. Stop!
No, look at that little butt.
My butt.
You said stop. Well, it's fat. Fat butt only.
What?
Yeah. But no, for real. Type IZCREW in the chat. The chat. Oh my god, my stupid. The comments down below.
What?
So far.
What? Clean up that mess.
You did that.
What?
Burn. Bee. First of all, before you go back there, clean this up. Y'all, look what she did. That is not little. Ah! I thought I was touching her hand. Which I was. Child, there's paper towels right there. Clean it up.
I'm just right.
With paper towel. Cause you fucking mad. Oh, you too. Oh, that's fucking bad. Oh, that's too sad. Get in the camera with like that, and I'll knock you out. Ha! Hey, you just did.
Look, I didn't.
You did.
Oh, yeah, look at
It's just showing you. You show your booty trolling. Y'all, but she got like bad movies, so like it don't really matter. Sometimes it don't matter. If you don't hurt her.
Help. This here, I love you, chair. Oh, I like it. Why the chair gotta be twistable?
And I really wanna love you. I wanna stay with you. And if you lose me, boo, that's gonna be okay, boo.
Go! She done, y'all.
Ooh!
Where we going?
I don't know. You wanna sit right back there?
No.
I think I'm gonna do this. If you want your mama and wanna hug her, hug her. She like her mama. She was cooking with us. She was being nice to us. She helped me grab my stuff. She ready to be a mama. And she have a baby with Kel. Eek!
She'll be my mama. Her mama always looks at me. Even when I go to sleep on class.
But she won't. But she'll be like, wake up. She'll just be like this. That's all she do. She'll just be like, wake up. And when she wake up, she'll tell you to go brush your teeth and stuff, I'm guessing. And then once you get back, you can go on class.
Kim,
I mean, after that class, your
Kim,
first, your home class,
what is Kel to me?
your cousin.
I don't care my people. Kim, my name.
I just wanna.
Y'all, show them a dance, show them a dance, show them a dance, show them a dance. Yeah. I was like, whoa. Y'all, she holding me aggressively.
Here.
It's child, first of all. And
Come on. Hurry. I want to be able to slap him and he's sleep.
he oh, he gonna be so mad, y'all. I know.
He's trying to break out.
Oh my God, y'all, look at that.
He's like, look, y'all. I want to go to my family.
Y'all, look at the lizard. Alright, y'all, her hair in the way. Yeah.
Slap him.
Oh,
Slap him.
you do it. No, you do it. You want to do it. I'm not doing that. Mm-mm. But I was so good right here.
Ready?
You my man. Are you mad? Oh, he my man. No, he not. Cause if you something, I'm a hot right in your spot. Hot. Don't wanna be listening for you. I get your paycheck. No. Okay. And I wanna see you walk. Wow. Yeah, boo. I know what you can talk. Talk it on it. But let me see you walk. Yeah, you walk. Wow.
No.
I know what you can talk.
Outside.
Let's go there.
Going on a road trip.
Child, Y'all, this takes us forever to open the door, y'all. How the heck you do this, y'all? Hold the camera.
Hey, y'all.
Trying to hold it the wrong way. But okay, you pull the door too. You push that out and boom.
Here. You coming with me?
Yes, I'm gonna sit right here. I know it is. Ooh, y'all, it is cold. Look at me, y'all.
Back in the house. Back in the house. Back in the house.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
That's your man. No, he not. If that's your man, I'm hopping in his back. Speaker.
I still coming on, y'all. I do. On the upcoming by Cardi B. In the comments down below.
Do you hear me? To go up to Smart J and put this on his bed.
That's about tight.
Do you dare me to do it? It's like the spoon ring.
Y'all, look at this girl. She gonna put this on him. Prank wars, be gone. Y'all, I told y'all I was gonna start doing some pranks. But y'all, she doing a prank. Hold on. Now you wanna start your own little prank channel with me? Yeah. So, comment what in the comments down below.
I already got a full spoon.
Comment down what down below. IZCREW or IZGANG.
So what you gonna prank him with? What you gonna prank him with? I'm pranking with this. What you gonna prank him with?
Water.
What you gonna have for the cup? Water?
Just a little bit. I don't want to be rude. Y'all.
Nigga, should I put this in his mouth?
Look, y'all.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to choke the boy.
Y'all look.
What am I gonna do then? Put it on his bed.
Okay, that was one.
Alright, so let's go.
Just that much, y'all.
You can try pour this in here?
I do not get what you do. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my god. And then we run out.
Disrespectful.
And then we run out, y'all. Then we run out. Why are you putting it in his bed? Oh my god, y'all.
I'm gonna have to sleep it out. Sleep it out.
It's gross. Should I throw the water first? And then he won't, so I can wash it off. Stop. Now you throw the water. It's like I'm doing it, but you do it. Girl, I'll get it from the angle. Nah, just throw it on him. Girl, you ain't do it. Did you do it? But you ain't doing enough. All I did was get on the bed, child. I said, on him. Hot water so he can sleep.
That's better? Is that good?
I don't know.
Oh, no, that's good.
But let's see, y'all can burn it back. Lift it up.
Yeah, that's enough. Come on. Come on.
Now have they give it up. Every so.
I'll get paid.
Yeah, I don't care what you do. Okay. He woke. Oh my god, y'all. You don't wake up with dirt in his face. With roaches. I'm dying right now. I gotta go. I can't. I'm dying right now, y'all.
We gotta go check.
Let me do one more TikTok.
We gotta go check, y'all, okay? He's serious gonna have to clean off his bed.
I know.
I just wanted to do it. I'm gonna wipe it off.
Okay, well, whatever.
Come on.
Okay, y'all, come on. Shut up. Okay. What the heck? He was moving. Go. Child. Come on. Come on. Hate me, so why don't erase me? Don't be afraid, baby. Don't worry about it. Go. Why are we running? Why are we running? Just because he moving don't mean anything. Go. Oh my God, girl. It's our shadow. Yo, our shadow in that little mirror. I'm so scared. I cannot. Go. Y'all understand how funny this is. You need more. We need to do more. I'm gonna run so quick, child. You gonna... You pour the water and I'll put the thing, okay?
I put the water, you put the thing on him?
Yeah.
Just dip it in there. No.
Oh, that's how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Scoop.
No. Girl, he got a lot in there already and I can't grab much. Oh, okay. Oh my God, y'all. Shut up. Okay, I gotta put this up real quick. Huh? I don't. Baby, we the strongest breed. Baby, we don't gotta tell about people. But, oh my gosh. Wait. I go. Y'all. She.
Come on.
Wait, I gotta tell you. Y'all. Straight.
Calm down.
And this girl, she gonna run the other way.
Come on.
Oh my God, you're so funny.
You gonna pour it.
Wait.
I don't want to pour it.
Oh my gosh, y'all, that's the disgusting face.
I don't want to pick.
And I'm running first, okay? Scoot in there so I can go. God have mercy. I can't. Yo. Tap the cup, grab the cup. Zanaya. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is crazy. Right now, he woke up, y'all. Y'all know where she went. Liar. The heck? Right there. Yo, what if you're wondering right now? She said, y'all, we need to stop messing with him. Well, I guess we gotta end the video. You ready to end it? First, let's get his reaction. We gotta go check again. Go, I was just stopping for you. He's still asleep. Bro, another prank fail. I pranked this girl, fail. We pranking him, fail. Bro, is our pranks not enough? Cause I mean seriously, like, bro.
We keep pranking him.
Exactly, y'all.
Is that not enough for him? We need more water, I guess.
Trying to go overload?
You trying to go overload?
That's you.
You trying to go overload?
I'm done. Cause this thing all the way up here. Like, Well. Girl, stop.
Girl, get off my...
Putting the chairs up. Apparently that ain't work.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see you guys next time. Also, type IZGANG or IZCREW, but hashtag IZCREW or IZGANG in the comments down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that big red subscriber notification bell so you never miss a single video. Make sure it says all, and share this video with your friends, your family, your uncles, your grandbaby, your baby daddy, anything. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Also, sorry for the long video. Bye. Bye, guys. Thanks. Say bye.